This video is going to be quite unique because in this video I am going to teach you the super trend indicator strategy that is a bit unique than the other strategies, and you can use this strategy on the 15 minute for the best results. However, this strategy can also be traded on 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, but if you are looking for the day trading strategies, then this strategy is definitely going to blow your mind because this is quite powerful. So let's move toward the indicator section, and before I proceed ahead, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. You can book your 1 hour price action session with me. That's the live one-to-one session. The link of the telegram is given in the description of this video below. You can find a lot of success stories from my students in the telegram group. I have shared in the group as well. And if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this is the regulated broker that offers you variety of trading accounts, you can join this broker by finding the link in the description of this video. Okay guys, we need to attach the two indicators. First of all, we are going to write the first indicator, that is called Q trend. Okay, so when we write Q trend, okay, so you can see that we have a lot of indicators from here, but we are going to use the Q dash trend from Tarasenko. Okay, the name of the author is Tarasenko, and you can see that this is only used by few traders. That's why the numbers are quite low, 411, but this is the quite powerful indicator. We are going to use this one, and this provides us some key buy and sell signals. Okay, the second thing that we are going to use is the second indicator. So as I have mentioned in this video, that we are going to use the super trend for the better entry and the confirmations on the 15-minute chart. So that's why we are going to attach the super trend. So we will write super trend. Okay, so when we write super trend on TradingView, you can see from the list there are a lot of the indicators, but we are going to use the super trend by the famous author that is called Kivanzos Bijelik, and you can see the huge numbers on the screen. Other super trends are used by 8,000, 18,000, 14,000 and 4, 3, 2. Everything is in front of you, but this indicator is used heavily by huge number of traders. So you can see now our trading setup is displayed on our chart. Okay, but this is not enough, so we are going to make some changes. So we are going to make a change inside the Q trend. As you can see that inside the Q trend, just a second guys. Okay, so now we can see that we have the ATR period and we have the ATR multiplier, that is by default 14 and 1. So this will change us, because if you look at in the screen here, in the back side of the screen, you can see most of the signals are random. Okay, so they are for the quick scalper. So we will change them and we will make the signals much better, so that they should be traded, and they can be traded very easily, and it will reduce the noise of the trading. So that's why I'm going to change the ATR period to 10 and then the ATR multiplier to 3. Okay, now if I press OK, and then you will see a lot of the fake signals have gone. Okay, now my charts are much clear to observe. Okay, now if I show you the other pairs, like for example, look at this one, that's making these signals are making sense to us. Okay, so guys, first of all, again I repeat that while using any indicator, use your common sense as well. So what is the trend going on here when the market is already into the trend? So for example, this is the downtrend. Always take the help from the trend lines. Okay, so what are the entry rules? The entry rules are very simple. Okay, the super trend should be red in color, and you get a sell signal from this the Q trend indicator. You can set up a stop loss at the previous high like this, and let's see what you have targeted from this trade. You have targeted 2.45 trading ratio, which is quite amazing. Okay, and then you can see the buy isn't work, the sell is working. Why the sell is working? Do not forget the concept of my trend line pattern that I have shown you, that you must consider it, because this is the must tool. Okay, so for example, right now it's telling you to buy, and that's so strong, but we should not take a buy because technically we are going down. So we should be looking for the rejection of this buy, and then when the super trend turns into red color and we have a sell signal from the Q trend indicator, we can definitely take one. Okay, so for example, let's have a look on gold, that how it is performing on gold. Okay, now you can see that we have seen a boost on the gold in the previous days, so there was no need to take that sell. Instead, this buy could be a good option, because technically, even as per the trend line, what your trend line says, look, if I even make a trend line, that's a clear upward momentum, there are no bearish signs on the chart, so why to sell it? Okay, so in the 15 minute you can easily, among the day trading strategies, this is the best strategy, because super trend works very well in the day trading strategies. Okay, now just have a look here. Okay, just look at this pattern. What is the trend? 2 points are joined, and you can see simply the price is moving up. No need to sell. Keep on buying. Keep on buying. No need to, even it says strong sell, we are not interested really, because we are going to trade with the trend. If you are going to use this indicator in a way like I have supplied you in this video, then definitely guys, you can make good profits. You can demo, practice it. You can make some you can also make some other changes, like for example, if we go to the super trend, we have the option like 10, you can change it to 20 into 5. That was the setting that I normally use when because on the long trading, you can see this will give you very long trading signals. So if you can handle this one, you can do this one as well. But in this video, I have provided you a technique with the ratio ATR 10 into 3. That will be the good option for you for the scalping and the day trading purpose. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.